guys, what's up? Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you guys a tour of a 2-bedroom 2.5 bathroom apartment for $1.299. One of the special thing about this unit is the corner location and ceiling height. Plus you have endless views of the two causeways, Venetian Island and Port of Miami, and on a clear day you also have ocean views. In addition to that, you have a park, which is a great place for dogs, picnics, outdoor activities such as baseball, tennis, and volleyball. This unit that I'm taking you guys in is so amazing, and you're absolutely going to love it. And if you love it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And guess what? I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.
As you enter the unit, on your left hand side you have the laundry room and closets. One of the things you're going to see throughout the whole apartment, the ceiling heights, it's at least minimum of 10 feet. It's between 10 to 12 feet. So in the first bedroom, you have endless city views. You see miles and miles and miles and miles of South Florida, and also you get partial bay and beach views. So this is the bathroom that's attached to it, double sink. You have a tub combination, standing shower, and then you have your water closet, which has a bidet. And one of the great things the owner of this unit actually did was he did a lot of wall treatment. Like this wall is really black, but you would have to see, you have to be here to actually see, you know, the kind of feeling you get. And you have a lot of recessed lighting, and although the wall here is black, you have ample of light, so it makes here feel like a nice studio. So then down the hallway you have a recess area where you could put your art. And then this is your half bathroom. So this unit has 2 bedroom, 2 full bath and a half bath. And then this is the view. This is where you will definitely spend all your time. So one other thing that I want to point out, this unit is on line 1, so you only have 1 elevator sharing line 1 and line 2, so you'll never have to wait for elevators because 1 elevator shares with 2 apartments. So when you're here, you have floor to ceiling windows, and I can't even speak. That's how amazing the view is here. And the building that's adjacent to you, we are much taller, so it does not block your view. And if you look right here, you will see they actually put their amenity on top, which is very aesthetically pleasing. You don't want to be next to a building where you're looking at AC units. Now I'll take you outside. So this is the view you get. So you see Sunny Isle, you see Miami Beach, you see downtown Miami, you see the Port of Miami. You know, it is so amazing. And look how clear the water is right here. So in the balcony, this is a nice touch. If you have a Peloton, you could literally use this and bike, you know, outside, which actually is gonna help you burn more calories. It's a great size balcony. And then I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. So the appliances in the kitchen, they're Wolf. So you have an island quartz countertop, high-end appliances. Again, the touch on the cabinet, this is nice. And one of the other thing, he did a nice faux, what would I say, not marble, but if you look at this wall, it's not really a leather wall. It's made to look that way, but It's treated. So you have your sub-zero fridge. And right here, you have your wine area. And then lastly, we're going to go to the master. And then of course, you get surround sound. That's gonna stay in the apartment, right? So you have built-in surround sound, your recess area for your television. It's such an amazing touch. No visible cables. And this is your master bedroom. Again, the same treatment. You have amazing floor to ceiling hurricane impact windows. So during a hurricane, you could literally stare at Mother Nature and you'll be safe. So this is the master. It's a gratuitous size master. And also it's wired for stereo. As you could see, the speakers are right here. And you have lighting on top in case you're reading. And then this is your bathroom. Double sink, great cabinetry. The sink is made by Decolab. You have a standing shower. This shower could literally shower 10 people. That's how big it is in here. If 10 of your friends decide to shower together. And what I really like in the middle right here, you could see this tile, mosaic type of tile with stainless steel around it. This is a nice touch. And your water closet has mirrored wall, which makes it look much bigger than it actually is. And then you get to see yourself as you're conducting business. And here is your walk-in closet, good size, built-in cabinetry, etc. So this is the apartment in a nutshell. The apartment has amazing amenities. I'm gonna take you. The maintenance is only $1,500 for all the amenities you get